What's up and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Jamie and thanks so much for stopping by. Today I wanted to do a DIY bath bomb set that I got from Walmart. But before we get into this video, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. Also make sure that you hit the notification bar down below so you know when I upload a new video. So, I got this at Walmart. It came in a 2 set. Came with this and it came with another piece that was the essential oils. But I was like, if you guys like this one first and then we'll do the essential oils together. I absolutely love the packaging already. It's really girly. It's very relaxing. And to me, it reminds me of just doing something like this with my girlfriends, like my friend Chrissy or my sister, having something all over our face, like a mask or something, watching some dorky romance movie and a glass of wine. Like, this is what this reminds me of. So I'm super excited and I figured why not do it with you guys, because maybe somebody out there was interested in buying it but is a little hesitant because me personally, this was $15 for this and the other one. I actually did see it online for $10, so I'm a little salty, but we gonna let that go. It looks like this. I'm like, whoa, can I make like 5 bath bombs from this? Because if you can, that's pretty dang on good. So it comes inside like this. When I first opened it, I was like, oh my God, they jacked me. They charged me $15 and then I lose 2 pieces? No, that's just the mold. Don't you worry. It comes with 1 pack of bath bomb mix. It comes with a bag of baking soda. Again, very girly with the packaging. I like how everything is just the ambiance of like lavender and like, I don't know. It makes me want to go take a bubble bath already, okay? And we haven't even started. A pack of mica. So it comes with 2, a silver one and a gold one. This glitter pack comes with a mold. This is the one for the square mold. Comes with a circular mold. So if you wanted to do like a circular one. Comes with a little thing of coconut oil, which is nice. It comes with 3 different types of flour. It doesn't tell me what kind of dried flowers these are. So hopefully I'm not allergic to it. No, I'm just joking. Okay, so first and foremost, these smell amazing. Okay, so it comes with 3 essential oils. This one is chamomile, you have rose, and you have lavender. So it's really nice. I could smell them through the bottles and they smell divine. It comes with a little packet like this. It says create your own custom bath bombs. And I guess you can give them to somebody as a gift if you wanted to, which is really cute. So it comes with instructions. 1 tablespoon plus 2 teaspoons of baking soda. And this, we're gonna do 3 tablespoons of the bath bomb. So now it says you can add your mica color. So get 2 different mica colors. You can get gold or silver and put whichever one in, and you're gonna use half the bag. So I'm gonna go with silver. Ooh, I like the color. Do you guys see this? This is so cute. 1 tablespoon of baking soda, 2 teaspoons of baking soda, 3 tablespoons of bath bomb mixture, and then I added the silver mica half bag. Now you can add a 1/4 teaspoon of coconut oil to your mixture, and then it says to blend it. So this is the coconut oil. Now that the mixture is good and we've added our coconut oil, I'm gonna go with chamomile as my drops, essential oils. So you would do 8 or 10 drops, whatever you're wanting to do. Let me smell the chamomile oil. Okay, chamomile smells pretty good to me. So I'm gonna do maybe 9 drops. And then I'm going to mix that up too. Use some of these dried flowers because I really like them and I like the smell of them. Oh, it smells so good, you guys. So it doesn't say if I'm supposed to break this flour up or anything, so I'm just gonna like crush it up a little so it's like all over the place. It doesn't tell me to do this, but I'm gonna do it just in case. So I have my water, and we're doing 1/4 of water. So you can tell that this part is starting to get the sandy color. It's starting to get wet sand. So we're now at that sandy texture that they were talking about. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna pack the bottom of it with this until it gets to the top. All right, so it's the sandy color or the sandy feel texture that they were talking about. It's smushed into the mold. We're gonna use the square mold this time. See how well it comes out. So it says let the mixture sit inside the mold for 1 to 5 minutes, and then after an hour, you take it out, lightly squeeze it, and it should come out no problem. And then you can use it whenever you want. I'm a little confused why it says let it sit for 5 minutes and then after an hour, but we're gonna do what it says. So we're gonna let it sit for 5 minutes in the mold, and then we'll come back after 5 minutes, see where it's at, and then in an hour we'll see where it's at. I'm a little nervous now because I guess like the pressure of it has made it come up a little bit more over the actual mold itself, as you guys can see. Now, this has been sitting for maybe an hour, hour and a half. So I let it sit a little bit longer, hoping that it would actually like form a little bit better. So it did melt down, and I'm gonna see what it's like taking it out of the mold. So, oh, okay. Still got some stragglers, but it's pretty solid. This is what it looks like. This was the rectangle one. Smells really nice. So we're gonna see if this actually works. Now I'm not gonna put it in a thing of bath water. I'm just not gonna do that. But I am gonna put it in some water in the sink to see if it's actually going to dissolve. This is actually a lot of fun. So I'm actually really surprised and really impressed that this actually worked. I would highly recommend it for like maybe a girls' night or a guys' night, because guys like to do bubble baths too. So, but it's nice to just be able to create something yourself, something that you don't really get to do normally, and you just feel comfortable doing it. And I had a lot of fun doing this. If you guys have tried this one, please let me know in the comments down below. If you guys have tried a different one, let me know which one I should try. For $15 at Walmart, I don't think that's actually a bad price for the amount of bath bombs that you can technically do. I mean, I've made 2 so far. I still probably have enough to make maybe another 3, so maybe 5 altogether. That is it, guys. I hope you liked this video. I hope you thought that it was helpful. If you were interested in buying the package from Walmart or maybe online, I absolutely love them. I will totally buy this again, especially for a girls' night. If you guys have any questions, I'll link the information down below in the comments. Thank you guys so much for watching and hanging out with me today. If you're not already and you'd like to be, please subscribe to my channel. Also, make sure that you hit the notification bar down below, right there. And if you actually know who this person is, or the movie that it comes from, also, let me know in the comments down below. As always, I love you guys, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye!
I see you wherever I go, and you don't even know. You are the stranger